In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on projects in QuickBooks. This feature is a quick and straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes, but it holds immense value. Projects in QuickBooks Online is a fantastic feature that allows you to track your income and expenses more precisely, providing insights into job profitability and keeping your financial reports accurate. This is especially beneficial for those running businesses that require detailed project management, as it gives you clearer oversight and control over your financial data. Let's begin by ensuring you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of your screen. This gear icon is your gateway to a variety of settings options. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu tailored for customization. From this menu, what you're seeking is the Account and Settings choice. Go ahead and select that to move forward with our task. Within the Account and Settings interface, you'll notice several tabs neatly organized to help you navigate. For this task, we're interested in the Advanced tab, so click on that to proceed. The Advanced tab is key as it houses a number of options that allow for customization of your QuickBooks experience, ensuring the software is configured to meet your specific business needs. Now, let's make our way to the Projects option. Depending on your screen, you might need to scroll down a bit. Don't worry if you do, as this section is loaded with useful settings. Once you spot the Projects option, click on it. This action will present you with a simple on-off switch. All that's required now is to toggle it to the on position. With this small yet significant click, you're empowering yourself with better management tools for your business. Don't forget this last crucial step. Remember to hit the Save button. It's vital to save all these changes to ensure they take effect. Missing this step might mean you have to repeat the process, and no one wants that extra work. So make sure your new settings are locked in before you exit this menu. And that's it! You've successfully turned on projects in QuickBooks Online. With this feature activated, you'll now be able to manage your projects more effectively. This newfound ability will ultimately provide you with a better understanding of your business's financial health. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other QuickBooks Online guides for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!